How's it going? You like your sisters? Make them run.
Sure. Sit. Sit.
Good boy, Russia. Hey, Coda. Go, 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 go. What are you doing down here? That's it? You're tired? Come on, it's only been an hour. Go, go, go. You're a puppy.
Not around here, sir.
Yeah, he's a good boy. Our dogs are boring, Mike. Oh, that's a good girl, Tundra. You don't care. Oh, good boy.
It's when it's near shit. Look. Oh.
He doesn't like to poop.
Here's like.
I know. He's sweet. Hey. I'm not filming you. You're not as cute as Russia.
Everybody's fine.
What's up? Coda, come here. No. Tundra, down. Go, go, go. Oh, I thought it was going to get hit.
He almost took me out.
Did he? Misjudged where he was going to land, or?
No, I was just running and he came right in the back of my knees.
I think that Kong's going to have to go with him, eh? We'll have to get Tundra a new one. He likes it.
Figured out a way before to hold it without having to have his mouth closed.
Oh, yeah?
Stick his bottom jaw in the hole.
In the hole.
And it just kind of hangs there.
He likes that heart toy, too, eh, in the house?
How long has it been taking?
I don't know. I'm waiting to see how long it lasts. I've never done this before. Come on, Russia. Go, Russia, run.
Hey, Russia. Russia. Hey. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.
Good boy. Look up at me with your pretty blue eyes, Dakota. Hey. Oh, that's good. That's it, eh? You're tired?
That's what I gotta do to get the rest around here. Just squeeze the door.